Hi crafters, this is Amy. Welcome to Cricut Basics How-Tos. Today we're going to talk about the basic supplies you need to use your Cricut. So the first item I would say would be your spatula. And what the spatula does is it allows you to lift your cuts off of your sticky mat. So that would be my first. I went ahead and bought this Cricut toolkit, and it comes with a scissors that isn't in here. It comes with a ruler that's not in here, but these are the basic things that I use, and they have some pick tools and things that help you lift little details out. And this is a cutting blade, so you can fix some things. Sometimes they don't cut just right, and you can fix them with that. So that's another thing I would suggest having, or that, or tools like that. You will need some adhesives. So I have, here's some glue pens. I use this, I think it's called an ATG gun. Anyway, I use these with the big spools of tape. But you need some type of adhesive. You can also use the Xyron if you have smaller items. The Xyron is a little thing you drop it in here, and you pull the tape through, and it makes it like a little sticker. Put sticky on the back of your little piece. So you'll need some type of adhesive like that. And archival pen, like a black pen. You can do a lot of detail work on your cards and, write things. And so just, having at least one nice, I use the really pointy fine tip, I believe it is, the Sharpie. Yep, fine point, ultra fine point. And I guess another thing I would suggest is maybe some inks. And when I started with a small pack. Okay, when I started, I just started with this pack of chalks. I got a lot of different colors for my money, so I wasn't buying all kinds of ink pads and things that, it can get quite expensive when you're getting started. So I use these a lot. I still use this. I like the metallic cream. But I use that, and now I have a lot of inks and things, but this is what I started with. And I guess another thing I would maybe suggest is having a good paper cutter. This is the Cricut paper cutter. Comes out here, and it has replaceable cutters. I would say a nice paper cutter too. So those should be the basic items you should need. Don't forget to see what the fuss is all about at sellhandmadeproducts.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.